Alright guys, so I actually bought another pair of the Oraimo SpaceBuds just for this video because I noticed a lot of you guys are struggling to find the extra Eartips in the package. In this video, I'm going to show you where it is hidden. So let's get down to business. So I have the 2-pack here, and let me open this one as you can see. So I'm going to unbox it right now. So first thing first, you have to unwrap it. So once you are done with the unwrapping of the polythene or the protective nylon, just bring out your box this way and unbox. Here is where the extra Eartips are. Now open this flip and you are going to see this inner pack. Bring it out like this, slide it out. Now you should see it here. So where you see this icon, this Eartips icon, there is a white nylon there, a white polythene bag. So just bring it out this way and that is it. The second compartment is for the charging cable, the short charging cable, and why the last but not the least stuff here is the user manual, which you can go through later on, and the earbuds you can see is here. So here is your extra Eartips. As you can see, Oraimo didn't forget any of these components. They all belong to you, so it is there. So you can use it and change it, to your Eartips. And that is it. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.